With the festive season just around the corner, domestic airfare prices are skyrocketing. The centre says we're maintaining a close watch, but there isn't much really that the government can do at this point. So they can't issue any directives or orders to bring the prices down. Business Today has done a spot check of the return fares around Diwali time. And here's a report. If you're planning to book your tickets to fly to any location across the country, you're going to have to pay quite a bit.
For those planning to fly home for Diwali, get ready to pay out of your nose. The Festival of Lights is more than 7 weeks away, but skyrocketing airfare already dampening the festive mood. A visit to a travel agent or airline website only leaves you with the prospect of coughing up extortionary airfares. Business Today did a spot check of return fare on various routes for the dates Wednesday, October 30th to Sunday, 3rd November. Diwali falls on Friday, 1st November this year. On metro routes, fare on these days were anywhere between 50 to 200% higher. We particularly avoided the red-eye flights. Bengaluru to Delhi return fares start at a whopping 25,000 rupees, while Hyderabad to Delhi were a little more affordable, but at 15,500 rupees. Tickets from Chennai to Delhi and back, however, start at 23,000 rupees. Non-metro routes like Mumbai, Patna, Mumbai, also ludicrously expensive at 30,000 rupees. Mumbai Lucknow return starts at 18,000 rupees. Interestingly, those beginning their holiday earlier on October 26th Saturday have to dish out even more. For this week-long break, Mumbai-Delhi return tickets start at 20,000 rupees, while the cost of Bengaluru-Delhi return ticket rises to 27,000 rupees. Chennai to Delhi tickets for this weekend travel start at 27,500 rupees. The government has taken cognizance of the issue but is unable to do much.
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम सीमित नहीं कर सकते. ये ऐसा लॉ नहीं है कि हम उसको एक सीमित रखें. वो मार्केट ड्रिवन चलता है, तो इस तरह जब डिमांड बढ़ जाता है तो उनके वहां से भी थोड़ा एक दो बार हो जाता है. पर अभी तक हम मॉनिटर कर रहे हैं कि जब भी अगर कोई ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड प्राइस चला जाए, अगर जहां पे भी नजर आता है कि कहीं से कुछ ज्यादा ही प्राइस बढ़ रहा है, तो उस टाइम मिनिस्ट्री के तरफ से तो सजेस्टिवली जो करना होगा वो करेंगे.
It's not as if the travelers have other options available. Trains are already booked for the period, waiting list extending into hundreds. Indian Railways will be running some special trains, but the rush is so high that bookings on some route have already been closed. Experts blame the rise in airfare on the changing scenario in the Indian sky. Go Air, a major airline till 2 years ago, has folded wings. SpiceJet is financially strapped. 20-strong fleet of SpiceJet is literally flying on a wing and a prayer. The Indian airspace is now virtually a duopoly with Indigo on one side and the Tata-owned Air India Vistara combined and Air India Express AirAsia India on the other. And the spike in airfare is despite an 18% drop in aviation fuel prices this calendar year. Bureau Report, Business Today Television.